Brian, Good's been in the space a long time. A lot has changed. We used to talk about MDM and devices. How have things evolved?
Pretty substantially. The 5 years ago with the invasion of the iOS devices, it was an MDM connect-a-thon, right? And we spent our time obsessing with devices, and we used to have all these conversations about which device and what manufacturer. Today that just doesn't happen anymore. Now it's about which users need what apps to get their work done. And so we've seen this evolution from MDM into EMM, Enterprise Mobility Management, which has a lot more functionality, including things like applications and workflows, and now into full-blown app strategies for organizations are now focusing on what end users need to get what work done with their applications, as opposed to which device do they need to carry around.
We're seeing the exact same thing. So we used to talk about the 3 phases, and the first phase was about MDM and devices, and the second phase is about apps and containerization. And eventually we expect to move into this phase, which is really around contextual mobility management, which is all about the application or data and the user. So I think we're seeing the Connect-a-thon was a perfect example about that. So instead of obsessing about devices, we're really looking at what are the apps and processes that matter, and how do we use mobile to really change how business is done.